Our inventory list can be found on the Media Studio page on the library's website. Specific instruments and equipment can be requested for use along with your booking. We have two different types of microphones that you may use during your session: condenser mics and dynamic mics. Condenser mics are often used for vocal recording as they capture a broad frequency range and excellent sound detail. They require an electrical boost of 48 volts, also called phantom power, that is generated from the audio interface. Each studio space comes equipped with a condenser microphone. Dynamic mics are less sensitive and are generally used on louder sound sources like guitar amps and drums. They can be used for vocal performances as well, but they do not capture as detailed a sound as a condenser mic. Dynamic mics do not require phantom power. We have a variety of guitars and basses that can be used during your session. When not in use, we ask that these instruments be kept on a stand to keep them secure. Most of the guitar stands in the Media Studio are hanging stands. This means that the instrument hangs by the headstock with the back of the body pressing against the foam backrest. Please do not sit guitars on top of the foam backrest. The guitar will not be secured in this position and could fall forward, ultimately damaging the instrument. There are two types of cables used to connect microphones or instruments to the audio interface: XLR cables, which are primarily used to connect microphones, and TRS or quarter-inch cables, which are used to connect instruments such as guitar, bass, or piano. Please note that cables should not be wrapped too tightly. Wrapping a cable loosely will increase its lifespan and prevent damage to the internal coil. If you have any questions related to Media Studio equipment or proper usage, please ask a staff member for assistance during your visit. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.